Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimath Research Company, and in this video I'm going to show you what is a pivot table in Excel. So first of all, you can see that I have a big data set here, okay, as you can see. Now, if I want to have a quick analysis for this data set, if I want to know the statistics easily and fast, and if I want to get get an insight about this data set in a few steps, my solution is to use pivot table. So now if I just you can see I have voters, my data set. So I have the codes for each voter, then I have the party as they are voting on behalf of Republican or on behalf of a Democrat. And here I have precinct, the code of each precinct, and here I have the age group. So what are these voters, what age group are they from? As you can see, this age group is going down as I scroll down, and here is the last voted, so they have lastly voted in this year and date, and here I have the years that they are able to vote. Okay, now here I just need to click on the first cell in the corner, go to Insert tab, as you can see I'm already in, and then select Pivot Table. Now it asks you, choose the data that you want to analyze. So it's the current data set, and then choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. Actually, in default mode, it goes a new worksheet. Another tab will be opened here, and the pivot table is going to go there. And I can give any location that I want, but I want to be as its default, and choose whether you want to analyze multiple tables. No, I don't, and click OK, and you can see that in sheet number 2 I have this pivot table made. Now what I will do is that I can take any of these fields to be added to the report. So if I click on voters and click on, for example, party, you can see that it automatically lists the voters, the sum of the voters, and the parties here for me. And then it has, the summation of all of these voters. Now, another thing that I can do is that I can pull any of these to these areas that you can see here, and let's see what happens if I do that. Now I want to have the parties to be listed in columns, and I want the voters to be listed in, say, rows, and let's see what happens. Or I can have this okay, as you can see here, I have the code of each voter categorized in these parties. Now it's not really easy to analyze, so I will go for values and let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see that for any party, I have, okay, I don't want, I want just one of them, so I can remove it. Now you can see that I have these parties listed in columns and the values are listed below them. Now let's have another one. Let's have age group. And let's have age group in. Okay, as you can see, it just gets in here by default. Now if I want to have it as filters, let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see that I can select the age group and the numbers are going to update. Now I select this age group, for example. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to AgriMathSoft channel. I'll see you in the next video, and bye.